Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Monday. Today I'll be designing this party flyer today. So I know you must have been seeing it on different sites, on different blogs and everything. So I'll try and recreate it and make it easy as possible. So let's start. And also I'll be dropping the free PSD in the link below. So please do well to download and use for your projects. It's very simple and straightforward. So let me start. So if you look at this image, first thing I do is I try to analyze how the design was created. So you can see this is my manipulation, different elements. Let me turn off this layer. Different elements. You can see this is a PNG file. Different elements so to make it look realistic. Different elements like this. I change the blend mode here. You can see I change this blend mode here. I made it using the blending option. I reduce this down to the best minimum so it can blend into this wood. So let's start. So first thing I did here was to create trying to get okay. Oh, here, this is my background here that I brought in. My background, brought this in like this. You can have something like this. You can have this. So I actually had this option, but I didn't use it. So here's what I did. I brought in this beach vibes. So I brought this in. You have something like this. Control C, then Control V. Something like this. Now you might ask me, how did I get this kind of stuff? Now if I delete this, okay, let me disable this layer mask. You can see this is something like this. But I wanted to blend this background with this image. Yeah, with this with this first one. So I actually did, okay, let me do this. I created my mask like this. So I work with my gradient tool. With my foreground color set to black, I gently brushed like this till it faded into the background. So you have something like this. Then the next thing is, let me brush a bit, sorry. Okay, have something like this. So it's blended like this. Okay, let me bring in my text. So you can also bring in your image first if you want to. It's not a definite stuff. So I tried different options. I tried different things, but I now concluded on a particular stuff. Okay, let me. The depth is here. Okay, object. So now this is a 3D effect. It's a 3D effect that I used. I got this on free picks. You can see on free picks. Let me turn this off. Text on free picks. Control C and Control V. So you paste it here like this. Have something like this. So I'll be leaving the PSD file in the link below if you want to download the file and use for your project. It's very, very simple and straightforward. You might have seen this on channels on YouTube. So you can have this lady image. You can bring an image into your design. Control C, Control V to paste design the text rather. You can have this. So now you can see this is looking unrealistic. That's what I did. I added a new layer here. My foreground color set to black. I click on my B on my keyboard. I reduce my brush size using the bracket. Then I tap like this once, and I Control T to transform. And I added the shadow, kind of a shadow like this. Have kind of a shadow like this. Shadow, make it look more realistic. Control J. something like this, JJ. So it's looking more realistic now. Then I brought in my image here. So this is a PNG file that you can use for it. This is a PNG file too. So I brought in my PNG file. I have something like this, Then you can even duplicate this same shadow. Oh, sorry, you can duplicate this same shadow. Duplicate this like this. Then bring in my text to have something like this. So now, to some people this is okay, this is perfect, but for me, I always like to add extras to my design. So you have something like this. So it's very simple and straightforward. It's really simple. So you can see I added my color lookup. You can see I used the cube here. This is the cube. So where's the cube again? Okay, you can use any cube you want to use here. You can even use 3 stripes. You can use 3 stripes also. So you can use 3 stripes and have fun with it. It's your design, it's your template. So now I added this kind of flare. You can add flare. You can play around your design. You can have fun with it. Make it look unique to you. Then this lady image here, I think I added brightness to her image. A bit, to have something like this, to pop a bit. Then to pop a bit. Then I added the final overlay to it. So it's a very simple design. You can play around it. You can even manipulate it for your other project. So I will drop the free PSD so you can use for your project, and also please don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. Thank you very much.